The Great Blue Hole, a huge underwater hole in Belize. The Great Blue Hole is a giant hole under the water in Belize. Here are some neat things about it. Big and deep. The Great Blue Hole is one of the biggest and deepest underwater holes in the world. It's like a huge circle in the ocean, and it goes down very, very deep. Amazing colors. The water in the Great Blue Hole is super blue and clear, and it's surrounded by coral reefs. It's like looking into a magical underwater world. Diving adventure. Lots of people love to go scuba diving in the Great Blue Hole. They can see all kinds of fish, sharks, and underwater caves. It's like going on an exciting underwater adventure. Natural wonder. The Great Blue Hole is a special place for scientists to study. It helps them learn about how the Earth's oceans and land are connected and how animals live underwater. The Great Blue Hole is a cool place to learn about and explore. It's like a big secret hiding under the ocean, waiting for you to discover its mysteries.